Do you also own a laptop repair business and replying to your customers and booking their repair slots is a task for you? So let me ease out this process with help of Pabbly Chatflow. Hey guys, welcome to Pabbly. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your laptop repairing business, and that too in just 3 easy steps. In step 1, we learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot with Pabbly Chatflow, and we'll see how automatically a user will message and trigger our WhatsApp chatbot, which will reply to our customers and also help them book their slots. So now, without wasting any time, let me take you to my screen and show you how it works and how we can create it. Welcome back to my screen. Now, before telling you how to create WhatsApp chatbot, let me give you an example of how it works. As you can see on my screen, I have already created a chat flow. Now I'll directly take you to my WhatsApp and show you how it works. For example, I'll write a simple word, help, and enter it. So as you can see, I have received this message, welcome to Quick Fix Laptop, need help with your laptop, let's get started. So I'll choose a book a repair option. Now they're asking me what is my issue, screen issue, battery issue or other problem. So I have battery problem in my laptop. Now they're asking me to choose the time slot on which I'll be going for the repair. So I'll choose the 3 to 5 p.m. option. Now they have sent me this message where they are saying your appointment has been booked. A technician will shortly call you. Thanks for choosing Quick Fix. So like this, a chatbot will get worked. And also, if I have to track my services, I'll click on the track services option. And now they're asking me to write my repair ID and enter it. So now they're telling me our team will shortly call you in a while, and also thanks for choosing Quick Fix Laptop. So this is how we can create a WhatsApp chatbot for a laptop business. And also it will help us in sharing the details and book the slots automatically. So now without any delays, let me take you and show you how it works. For creating a new chat flow, you have to go on new tab option. Here you have to type pabbly.com/chatflow and enter it. Now we are directed towards this page. Here we have two options on the top right hand side corner. Sign up for free is for the new user, and as I already have my account, I'll directly sign in. Now we are directed towards this page. We have to scroll down, go to Pabbly Chatflow and tap on the Access Now button. Now we have landed on the main page of Pabbly Chatflow account. So now here we can see a Add WhatsApp number option on the top right hand side corner, and as we'll touch it, we can see two options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. To know how to connect your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow, we have separate videos made. Now taking you to the options on the left hand side, and I'll one by one tell you what are these used for. This is the dashboard option, which is used to view overall statistics, manage WhatsApp number and access folder. This is the inbox, where we can see and respond to WhatsApp message from user in real time. This is the contact, where we can manage our contact list and view detailed profiles. This is the team queue, where we can assign chats to specific team members and manage support queues. This is the template option, where we can create and manage message templates approved by WhatsApp. This is the broadcast, where we can send bulk WhatsApp message to the multiple contacts using templates. This is the flow option, which we will use today for making the flows. This is the AI assistant, which uses AI tools to enhance customer response and automate replies. This is the activity log, where we can view all the logs and recent activities and system operations. This is the settings option, where we can configure account, business profile and integrate settings. This is the Get Help option, where we can access support and resource tutorials, etc. Now let me take you for creating the flow. Here we have to go on the flow option, tap on this arrow, choose the first option, flows. Now we are directed towards this page. Here on the top right hand side corner, we have Add Flow option. We have to click this. Now we have directly landed on a flow builder page. As you can see, the start flow start from which a flow will start. Here firstly we have to write a name for a bot which we are creating. We always have to firstly write a name for a bot which we have created on a chat flow. It's very important. Now coming to this tag, flow start. Here we have three options, enter keyword, enter regex and choose template. Let me firstly tell you what are keywords. Keywords are the specific words or phrases used to trigger or match something in an automation process. Here we have to write these keywords manually. For example, we can write hey, help, laptop. All these words we have to enter manually. Now coming to the regex. Regex are regular expression, a powerful tool used to match patterns in text. Regex are more advanced than keywords. You can also create patterns that match multiple variation of words or sentences. Here, when any user will message us with a full sentence, automatically our regex will help the WhatsApp bot get triggered. So here we have to write a special code that is square bracket /s/capital S, square bracket close, enter a plus sign. Now we have to toggle this button on and done. We are done with our regex and keywords. Now coming to the third option, that is templates. To know how to use template in Chatflow, we have separate videos made. You can go and watch it on our YouTube channel. So now starting with the flow. Here on the left hand side, we have message and actions section. From this, we'll drag our messages and actions to our flow builder. So firstly, I want to give a welcome message to my user. For that, I'll drag text button from the messages option. Do not forget to join these threads to each of the tags like this, point to point. Now I'll enter the message. As you can see, I have entered my message. Now I also want to add some buttons for my services. As you can see, I have successfully entered all the three of my buttons which are for my services. First one is book a repair, second is ask a question, and third one is track my services. Now following up, I'll also add some messages which will refers to the book message, ask question, and track service option. So for firstly going with the book a repair option, I'll again choose the text plus button option and drag it over here from the message section. And firstly join it with the help of thread, point to point. Now I'll ask for the issue of the customer. Like this, I have entered my message. Now I also want to add some buttons. So these are the most common problems one faces in the laptop: screen issue, battery problem, and other problem. So I have mentioned them in the buttons itself. Now I want whenever the lead or customer will choose any of this problem, they should choose a time slot for their laptop repairing. I'll choose text button option. Like this, I have asked the preferred time slot. Now I'll add the buttons and add the times over here. After this, I'll attach all these time slots with the help of the problem box which I created over here like this. And after doing this, I want my customer to know that they have successfully booked an appointment, also wants to thank them. So I'll again choose a text button option, drag it in the flow builder, and write my message over here. Like this, I have successfully written my message. Now I'll again attach it with the help of my thread. And now it's done. It is done for the book a repair option. Now I'll follow the same process for ask question and track my service. For ask question, I'll again bring this text button over here and ask the customer how we can help. I have entered my message over here. Now I also want to add some buttons. As you can see, I have successfully added two buttons, service time and location. Now I'll attach it with my ask question option, and whenever any customer will choose any of these services, I want them to know about the services and the location itself. So I'll again go to message option, drag this text button over here for each of the option, and firstly going with the service time. So I'll attach it firstly with this one, and same goes for location. Telling my service time and also adding a thank you note. And for the location, I'll do the same. So like this, my ask question option is completed. Now moving forward with the track my service option. In track my service, I want to ask a question to my customer. So I'll go to action section, drag this ask question over here and attach it with my track my service option. Now I'll enter the message which I want to ask them. As I want to ask them their repairing ID, in the same custom field, I'll choose the repairing ID. And for repairing ID, I can choose any because the repairing ID can be both in number and text. So I'll go for any option over here. Now as you can see successfully, this has also been created. Now I also want to add a thank you note for track my service option. So I'll just bring one more text button in my flow builder option, adjust it over here, attach it with my question and add a thank you note over here too. With the thank you note, I'll also tell them that my team will be shortly contacting them for their tracking process. So this is how we have successfully created a chat flow for a laptop business. Now we have to save it over here. And do not forget to toggle this button on if it's off. And now this flow is successfully saved. Now we'll again go back to our WhatsApp and see how it works. Our previous bot was deactivated. So for this time, I have written this full sentence and I'll enter it. Now as you can see, again the chatbot is replying automatically and asking them book a repair, ask question and track my services. So this is how we can create a chatbot for a laptop repairing business. I hope this video was informative for you. To connect with us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. For more questions and queries, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com, and for more pricing related details, you can visit the website mentioned over here. Also, Pabbly Chatflow comes with some free plans, so you can create multiple chatbots for your different businesses. So what are you waiting for? Go try it today.